Hello students, for standard 6 we have seen in last period number 12 revision of chapter 1 phrases and sentences. In this chapter we have seen what is meant by the phrases. Phrases is a group of word which does not have verb, and we have seen about the sentence which is giving you a complete sense. Now in period number 13 we are going to continue the sentences number 28. See here, sentence number what? 28. Last time we have solved up to 27. So 28 number. Above all he had dark piercing eyes which looked straight at the opponent. So in this sentence, above all is your what? What is your answer? Yes, it is your answer, and we are continuing to underline the phrases in the following sentences. So why it is phrase? Because above is your preposition. Yes, as we have studied, phrases begins with preposition. So here this is your answer. 29th, we have an abundance of medicinal herbs too. An abundance of is your answer. The great Indian hornbill is one of the most famous birds found here. One of the most is your answer as a phrase. 31st, my people will welcome you with warmth and courtesy. With warmth and courtesy, this is your answer. Why it is answer? Because it is what phrase? And see, sentence number what? Sentence number this 31st. 32. Thus the story which could have ended in a tragic manner and ended happily. In a tragic manner your phrase, because in is a preposition. A host of idea poured him. A host is your answer. 34. He surrounded the prince with every imaginable luxury and comfort. With every imaginable luxury and comfort is your answer. With is a preposition, that's why it's a phrase. 35. There was a table set out under a tree in front of the house. Set out under a tree in front of is your answer. 36. Being an only child at home, he was surrounded by all sorts of expensive toys. All sorts is your answer as a phrase. 37. People felt unsafe and insecure in their own homes. In their own homes is a phrase. 38. I fully intended to put it back in place after the tournament. In place is your answer. This in place. Okay, next one. 39. The entire assemblage was in awe. In awe is your phrase. In is a what? Preposition. That's why these two words are called phrase. 40 number. Arthur inserted the sword in the anvil and drew it out effortlessly. In the anvil is your answer as a phrase. So second question is here given, students. Second question, what is that? Write the meaning of the following phrase. You will not see always this type of question, but you are going to study it. Untold wealth. This untold wealth. This sentence. Untold wealth means what? A large amount of the what? Wealth. A large amount of the wealth. The meaning of this word, untold wealth. Next, closest to the emperor's heart means what? A very dear to the emperor. The meaning of this second word, a very dear to the emperor. Okay, next student, actually we have seen two. Now this is what? Third number we are going to look now. This is third, this is fourth number, this 5, and last 6, and this last one, a mother, is 7th number. This way here remaining sentences are given. You just write the numbers for this sentence, students. Okay, now we are looking grave offense. Grave offense, meaning of grave offense means serious misdeed. Okay, next one, banish means remove or do away with. Next one, and eagle eyes means keen observation or a sharp eyesight. Okay, next one, a lion's heart means to be brave and have courage. Then next, last line, a mother touch means to gentle and soft like a mother. So this is about the what? The phrase and its meaning. Students, you are going to write these phrases, two question from sentence number 28 and question number 2. In question number 2 we have given here what, how many, 7 phrase and its meaning. So you will copy it in your notebook and send to my WhatsApp numbers. Thank you students.